likes a dentist? Who likes to listen to a drill? But the injections, because I hate pain, the way they give the needles, I just can't believe it. They numb with a gel before they even give you the needles to numb the area. And so I didn't even feel, and as I said, I am low tolerance with pain. I couldn't even feel the needles because they gave me the gel to numb the area. I had been given prices and had dental treatment already over the years in Australia. I just wanted to have some bridge work removed and replaced and whitened here in Thailand, and so I had some prices with some dental specialists in Brisbane, and the prices there were astronomical. I thought, oh, I can't afford this. I'll have to win the lotto to afford this. But after dealing with the dental representatives and the travel staff and the people that organised everything, I just couldn't believe it. I thought, go for it. So I had a consultation with the specialist at the Bangkok International Dental Clinic. Huge. It's about 6 stories tall. Everything's white and immaculate. My goodness, you could eat off the floor. It's just so clean. And the professional and the tools and everything they use. Talk about surgery. And they speak English, which was fantastic. We had x-rays that cost a fortune in Australia. We had it all done here. It was all included in the package. I'm talking about the prices. You know, the price I was quoted in Brisbane for the procedure that I wanted for myself was $26,000. And that was to remove and replace the bridge work that I already have. I was going to extend more bridge work on the side. I had 2 molars on the side capped. I had 4 molars removed and replaced with caps. I had one on the side at the bottom with caps, and I just couldn't believe it.
Would you say that your package, including flights, the plastic surgery, the 2 procedures, the dental work, the shopping that you've done, the food, would that have totaled $26,000?
No way in the world. No way in the world. No way in the world.
So what would you say the savings are over here? 50,
my God.
60, 70%?
I'd say less than half.
Right.
Definitely less than half. I mean,
and the quality?
Very fantastic. You know, I'm so happy with the results. Even the dentistry, they take pictures before and after for their own record, and they were happy, I was happy, and even they gave me advice because I wanted to lengthen some of the teeth, and I've got a crossbite which is complicated for an average dentist couldn't do it. These guys were beyond average, and they worked with, I'm a very difficult customer because I've got a crossbite, so they worked on that and they extended the teeth. So we weren't even nowhere near 10, let alone 26. And look at this, I got all my plastic surgery. Shop till I drop. The shopping is fantastic.
What kind of things have you been doing since in your post-op recovery?
Shopping. I've also been in touch with a skin specialist. I've had some laser work done to remove some brown pigmentation on my face. I've spoken to some specialists in the eye clinic about having some laser work so I don't have to wear reading glasses, and they've given me some advice. I'm thinking about maybe next time on my trip in May.
What did you do today?
Today we went over to the bridge on the River Kwai.
How was that?
Oh gosh, it was so emotional to think of what these people endured. And to see it there was just so surreal. You see movies, you see pictures, but to see it there was just, and it was packed with other tourists from overseas, and it was just fabulous. Our tour guide, Bob, Oh, what a sweetheart. Bob, well, Bob spoke fluent English. He went beyond what he was paid to do. Definitely recommend Bob. He took us to
Who
places.
organised Bob for you? Was that part of your package?
No,
or?
it wasn't. Cassandra had organised all that for us. And I can't speak highly of Cassandra. I thought the job that she had performed organising all this overseas, getting the dates lined up, the doctors lined up, the flights. Sandra organised the flights for us, trying to get the flights to match the doctors, to try and match the hospital, the vacancies for the rooms and the beds, the dentistry to make sure that I had time after the procedure, the operational things, and that I could move comfortably, and then I would have my dentistry work done. The transporting from the hospital to the dental clinic, Cassandra organised all that for me. She even took me shopping in the night for the midnight markets, and all I needed was more money, more spending, cheapy imitation. Even the real thing wasn't too bad compared to the comparison of the changing of the Australian dollar to the baht. That was even cheap enough.
Can you show us something that you bought?
Today, oh goodness sake, my Seiko watch.
Oh, we can actually see the hospital.
Oh, there you go. Now I've bought a Seiko watch. It was
Genuine or?
genuine. It was 5,000 bahts, which was 170 odd Australian dollars. And the lady even gave me a discount because I had a special on in the shopping complex, which is enormous. It's like about 15 stories, ultra modern, and if you can't find anything in MBK, you can't find anything on the planet. You name it, they've got it, and at a good price. So my watch, that I had one similar. I had purchased in the US. I paid $300, $400 US. I got in Thailand for 165 Australian dollars. It came in the Seiko box. It had the Seiko receipt. I've got a Seiko warranty. So if anything goes wrong, they even fitted it. They had to take links because, would you believe, the only thing small on my body are my wrists. So they fitted it for me, the ladies in the jewellery place.
So overall, with the hospital, the doctor, the planning, the service from Global Health Travel,
I don't know how they did it. I have no idea. They must have been magicians. How they got everything to fall into place, one thing after another. I don't know how the girls did it. They were my angels. They had everything. When the plane took off from Brisbane and landed in Thailand, everything was organised. There were people there to greet me. There were people that took me, took my luggage, took myself, gave me a drink on arrival, even at the airport. They spoke English. Everything was taken care of. I was taken to the hospital the residence.
Do you think it helped having someone, an Australian here, if you had any questions?
Definitely. Definitely. You feel more personal. You feel that the person understands what you are experiencing, the anxiety, the nervousness, the worry, whether, what are you going to look like? What are they going to do? How painful am I going to be? Because the ladies like Cassandra and Sandra and Chris all have experienced it, dealt with other people in the similar situations, so they know what is ahead of me and I don't, and so they comfort me and also explain and take me step by step as we're going through it, and believe me, that is worth anything. So they were giving me assurances and at the same time holding my hand and taking me through it. Definitely worth fantastic.
Would you come back?
Oh, as I said, you'll see my face back here at that hospital, and my butt here in this beautiful Shangri-La for sure.
Thank you, Irene.
No problem.
When are you going home?
I'm going home tomorrow afternoon. Actually, I'm flying Qantas. It's all organised again. I get a limousine service from my hotel here at the villa in the afternoon, and be dropped off at the airport. And I might even do a little bit of shopping in the morning before I even go again. I just can't get enough of it. The quality of the products is so good. The variety and the prices.
Thank you very much,
Not
Irene.
a problem.
We can't wait to see you again soon.
Oh, and you will. Thank you very much.